Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here today with an amazing, one of the best burn off belly fat routines. You're gonna love it, so let's get right into it. Alrighty, first exercise, we have high, wide knee taps, all right? So we usually do our high knees like this. We're doing it a little bit wider, all right? And we're twisting as the knee comes up and tapping it with our hands, all right? If you have to bring your hands a little bit lower to reach your knee, that's fine. Just make sure you're not crouching down to meet your knee, all right? Nice, good posture, tapping the knee as it comes up. Nice flex feet, very good. Breathing, chin is up, very good. And 3, 2, 1, and center release, very good. Next, we have some overhead side bends. All right, hands up, palms facing forward. We're reaching up, but we're not scrunching, all right? Push those shoulders, there we go. Push those shoulders away from your ears. All right, and then we're bending side to side, making sure you have a nice straight spine, all right? We're not coming back, we're not opening up our rib cage. All right, nice straight spine. Feeling it in your obliques, a nice stretch in this one, a nice crunch in the other, and then switching sides, very good. Tight core, all right, tuck it in, and 3, 2, 1, center and release, very good. Next we have an open palm torso twist, all right, palms up, twisting our torso while our lower body stays nice and squared forward, right? We're not moving that. Go ahead, bend those knees a little bit. It'll help stabilize you a little bit more. Go ahead, look forward and twist as much as you can without totally, moving your lower body, all right? This stays still. Chin up, very good. And breathing. And 3, 2, 1, and center release, very good. Last but certainly not least, we have a squat to kick crunch. All right, so arms are out to the side. We're sitting in an invisible chair. Our squat, knees never pass the toes. All right, nice straight back, and then you're gonna come up, kick crunch, squat, and then the other side. All right, take your time. All right, that's the beauty of 30 seconds. You go at your own pace. And remember that quality over quantity, that always go, faster and doing more is not always better, all right? Doing it properly, engaging your muscles is what's really gonna do the trick, all right? And if doing the kick crunch with the squats is not for you today, then do one or the other. Either do squats or go ahead and just do kick crunch. All right, and we're doing 3 sets, so you can go ahead and mix it up. And 3, 2, 1, and there we have it. Set 1 done and dusted. Right into set 2, big breath. Starting with our wide high knee taps. Let's get it.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
And 3, 2, 1, arms up, overhead side bends. And 3, 2, 1, center and release, very good. Open palm twist. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, center, very good. Squat to kick crunch. Let's get it, you got this, push through. And 3, 2, 1, celebrate. 2 done and dusted, great job. I'm starting to feel it. 1 more to go, big breath. Starting with our wide high knee taps. Let's get it.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
And 3, 2, 1, arms up, overhead side bends. And 3, 2, 1, center and release, very good. Open palm twist. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, center, very good. Squat to kick crunch. Let's get it, you got this, push through. And 3, 2, 1, celebrate. And there we have it, my beautiful people. 3 sets of this awesome burn off belly fat routine, all standing exercises. I hope you loved it. Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Let me know where you're from, what you would like to see more of, and I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.